HeinOnline provides complete runs of journals contained in its database, in some cases from Volume 1, making it an excellent source for historical materials. On occasion, Hein will embargo the most recent issue of a journal, but the opposite is true of Lexis and Westlaw, where early volumes may be missing. And care should be noted here that articles found in Westlaw and Lexis may lack the charts, graphs, and images that you find in articles on HeinOnline, and that's because the materials at HeinOnline are actual scans of the print publication. So this screencast will demonstrate how to access and search for legal periodicals on the HeinOnline platform. And we'll start here at the HeinOnline homepage. For searching periodicals, we will primarily be in the Law Journal Library. So rather than use the search bar at the top of the homepage to search all collections, I'm going to choose Law Journal Library from the collections by name. And from here I have options to browse journals by their title, by the state of publication, country, subject, or the most cited journals. The subject assignment is particularly useful. So if I click on subject, I find a list of subjects and how many journals have been assigned to that subject area. So for example, if I click on animal rights, I know that there are 10 journals assigned here. I have the list of the journals, and I can also search just the journals published on this subject. So it's a nice way to narrow your search. For my search, I'm going to go ahead and use the advanced search tools. I'm going to search for articles on self-defense again. This time I'm going to search for the term self-defense in the article title. So my other options for this field search function are title, the full text of the article, the author name, the state of publication, country, and date. But for this simple search, I'm going to stick to the article title. I'm also going to choose my subject. If I start typing criminal, I can see my options here for criminal law and procedure. The last selection I'm going to make is the content type. So when we talked about legal periodicals earlier, we talked about the differences between articles, comments, and notes. So I'm just going to search for articles at this point. Okay. I have 31 results, and that's pretty reasonable. But I could continue to limit this further. I can choose other subjects. I can choose specific titles. I can choose the state of publication, and I can also change the date. So if I were searching for a discussion of a really current topic, I might want to just limit to 2010 forward. And that gives me just 9 results, and that's a really nice number to be able to review these titles and read the articles. Okay, so these are the basics for searching HeinOnline for legal periodicals.